Top 10 Phone Repair in Columbus. 1. CellWoRx 323 reviews, West 5th Avenue. 2. The Fix Phone Repair, Tablet Repair and Accessories in Columbus Walmart, 4.9 1108 reviews, Georgesville Road. 3. Repair Doctor, 4.9 646 reviews, in front of Zumies Bath and Body Works. 4. iFixandRepair, Columbus Morse Road Walmart, 4.9 560 reviews, Morse Road. 5. Mobile Guru Cell Phone Repair and Accessories, 4.9 393 reviews, Sullivant Ave Suite 12. 6. JPR Phone and Console Repair Xbox Nintendo PlayStation, 4.9 238 reviews, N High Street. 7. Legit Electronics, 4.9 225 reviews, Cassady Avenue Suite 2.